Does your mind ever feel like a room full of tangled wires? You are trying to focus on one thing, but a dozen different thoughts are all pulling for your attention. This state of mental fog and quiet exhaustion has a name, and it is not just brain fog. We call it mind tangle, and it is often caused by hidden habits that we can learn to untangle. If you have ever felt this way, know that it is not a character flaw, but a common pattern found in many deep thinkers. Mind tangle is the experience of having your mental energy caught in loops of unprocessed thoughts and emotions. On the outside, you might look calm, but on the inside, it feels like a quiet storm. In this video, we will walk through 4 common habits that create mind tangle and give you a simple way to untie each knot. The first habit that tangles our thoughts is something psychologists call the rumination loop. This is when your mind gets stuck replaying an awkward conversation, a past mistake, or a future worry over and over. It feels like you are trying to solve a problem, but you are really just digging the same mental trench deeper and deeper. This loop drains your mental battery without ever leading to a real solution. The fix is a simple pattern interrupt. When you catch yourself in the loop, stop and ask your mind 3 questions. Is this thought productive? Is it kind? And is it something I can actually control? Often the answer to at least one of those is no, which gives you permission to let the thought go. The second habit is not about your own thoughts, but the feelings you absorb from others. We call this emotional sponging. This is common for empathetic people who may walk into a room and unconsciously take on the stress, anxiety, or bad mood of someone else. The harm is that your emotional backpack gets filled with things that do not even belong to you. This creates confusion and exhaustion because you're trying to process feelings that are not yours to begin with. To fix this, you can practice a simple visualization shield. Take a moment to close your eyes and imagine a warm, protective bubble of light forming around you. This bubble lets in warmth and connection, but allows the heavy, negative emotions of others to gently bounce off. It is a way of reminding yourself that you can care about someone without having to carry their emotional weight. If these ideas are helping you feel more clear already, consider subscribing for more ways to understand your mind. The third knot in our mind tangle is a modern one we call information overload paralysis. This happens when you consume endless information from social media to news feeds without any time to process it. Your brain becomes like a computer with too many tabs open, where everything slows down and it feels impossible to focus on anything. This leads to a feeling of being overwhelmed and perpetually behind. The fix for this is to go on an information diet. Instead of grazing on content all day, schedule 1 or 2 specific times to intentionally check your feeds or read the news. The goal is to move from being a passive consumer of information to being an intentional user of it. Our final habit is an internal one we call the should storm. This is the nagging inner voice that has a constant list of things you should be doing, should have done, or should be feeling. I should be more productive. I should be happier. I should go to the gym. This constant self-judgment creates a background noise of inadequacy and guilt. It prevents you from being present and appreciating what you are actually doing. The simple fix is to apply the could reframe. Every time you hear yourself using the word should, gently change it to could. For example, the thought that you should go to the gym is reframed as the choice that you could go to the gym. This tiny shift turns a command into a choice, which instantly restores your sense of peace and personal power. So, we have covered 4 ways to untangle your mind, including the pattern interrupt, the visualization shield, the information diet, and the could reframe. Notice that the common thread in all of these is moving from unconscious reaction to conscious choice. You do not have to master all of them at once. Just pick one that resonated with you the most and practice it for a week. It is normal for your mind to get tangled sometimes, especially if you feel things deeply. Untangling your thoughts is not about becoming a different person or feeling less. It is about becoming more aware of your own mental patterns so they no longer control you. Imagine the mental space and energy you will have when you are not caught in these hidden knots. Thanks for spending your time with us at Brainwave Stories. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more stories on understanding your mind and finding your clarity. Let us know in the comments which habit tangled you up the most.